Top 5 Best Way to Become Rich. 5th is my favorite. 1. Education. Invest in your knowledge and skills through education and continuous learning. A well-rounded education can lead to better career opportunities and higher income. 2. Financial literacy. Learn about personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Make informed financial decisions to grow your wealth. 3. Investing. Put your money to work by investing wisely. Diversify your portfolio with stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets to generate passive income. 4. Savings discipline. Develop a habit of saving consistently. Set aside a portion of your income for emergencies, retirement, and wealth building. 5. Networking. Build a strong professional and social network. Connections can lead to opportunities, mentorship, and partnerships that boost your income potential.